The fifth product on our list is the DeWALT DG5103. Tool belts are excellent products because they help eliminate the back and forth trips from your toolbox to your project. This DeWALT unit is the perfect tool holder for contractors who need to have their tools close at hand. We like that this hands-free tool bag provides a large main pocket, handy tool loops, and a sleeve pocket holding a number of supplies so you can work quickly and efficiently. DeWALT has thought of everything. They really designed this tool bag to hold up during constant use. It is made of durable ballistic poly material and features a sturdy rear clip for attachment purposes. Alternatively, it can be fitted to a belt up to 2 3/4 inches wide. This means that when you are in a crawl space or climbing up a ladder, your hands will be free and your tools will be conveniently close by. We also like that it includes a strap providing easy access to your things like electrical tape. What's more, maintenance people will appreciate the included carabiner key holder. This is truly a grab-and-go tool system. It's always ready for action when calls are received and service is needed. What's more, we like that it's small enough not to burden your belt and weigh it down, but big enough to hold your most often used tools. Lastly, the trapezoid shape keeps the bag from moving as you walk or climb a ladder, which is pretty useful. Overall, it's the perfect unit for busy contractors. Its pros are, it has an ergonomic design, it's durably made, and it feels secure when in use. However, its front pockets are not particularly deep. The DeWALT DG5103 is well suited to those who spend a lot of time scaling ladders in the workplace.